guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I recently went to Darien Lake with Liner Glitter Gloss, other words D. We went on this vacation last year as well, and I did a whole vlog about that, and I'll insert that somewhere around here if you want to go check that out. But we loved it so much that we asked to go back this year, and we did. And once again, it was so much fun. But I wanted to create a different type of video, as last year, like I mentioned, I did a vlog type of video. So this year I really wanted to put something together and talk about the benefits of going to a theme park and maybe some tips and tricks of going to a theme park and staying overnight, and just some little things that you might not know, maybe things that you need to pack that you didn't think of, all that kind of stuff. In this video, it's going to be a bunch of tips and tricks on if you're planning a theme park getaway. Let's just jump right into it and let's get started.
The first step you want to do is research your trip. To find the best time for you and your family or your friends to go to a theme park, the first step is to do your research. This doesn't mean just finding the right theme park for you to visit, but also means finding the best weekend that will work for you and your family. A lot of theme parks, especially Darien Lake, include amazing offers like concerts throughout the whole summer. This might be something you want to take advantage, or it might be something that you want to avoid, just depending on maybe the concert that's coming that weekend. Maybe you're interested, maybe you just think it'll be too busy that weekend. So this is something you definitely want to think about before going to your theme park or booking a trip, and you can always find this by going to their websites. The next step in your research would be finding the right accommodation for you. Parks like Darien Lake offer a wide selection of accommodations, including things like camping, glamping, trailer parks, cabins, and even a hotel. So you're guaranteed to find something that will fit for you and your family or your friends. For our stay, we stayed at a cabin and we absolutely loved it. Area to make a simple meal, has 2 bedrooms, and even a loft space that you can have if you have any extra people coming, they can stay up there with an air mattress. As well as, if that's not enough, you have a barbecue, a small patio area, and room to make a campfire. Okay, so your research is done, and now it's time to plan your trip. Are you going to be eating at the park the whole time? Are you going to be cooking? These are all questions that will help you plan your trip. As mentioned, Darien Lake has a whole bunch of restaurants on site, but with the cabin rental, you have access to a kitchen, which will easily allow you to go do some grocery shopping, which we did, and brought a bunch of food back to the cabin. I'll make sure to put a whole list down below of things that we brought with us from home, as well as picked up at the store, just to make sure that we had everything we needed at the cabin. But like I said, the Darien Lake also has a ton of restaurants that you can go to. The pizza is delicious. They have so many delicious snacks that you are going to want to try, like Dippin' Dots, which is my favorite. Lastly, if you are legal drinking age, you must pick up one of the beer souvenir cups, as they are super cute, and for around 12 bucks, you pick it up and you can keep refilling it your whole trip. Last but not least, make sure you have fun. There are so many rides to go on, but new to this year to Darien Lake is Tantrum, a 98-foot vertical lift at a 90-degree angle. In seconds, the train drops at a 97-degree and you reach speeds of 52 miles per hour. It was honestly amazing and something you need to try. Something you might also not know is that Darien Lake offers cabana rentals in the water park. For a daily fee, you can have access to your own cabana that offers a space for you to lock your belongings and relax all day. No matter how old you are, a water park is always fun. Our favorite was the Tornado, and it had to be one of my favorite rides I've ever been on. It was so scary, but so fun. You need to try this ride. If you're looking for something else to do other than rides, make sure to look online, as they have other activities such as a magician when we were there, which was really fun to see, as well as their nighttime light show is something you cannot miss. It goes on every night at 10 p.m. and it was fantastic. We went both nights and you don't get bored of it. It is so much fun and a must-see.
Those are the tips and tricks for planning a theme park getaway. I hope you guys liked this video, and let me know in the comments below if you have any other tips or things that I might have missed, as I'd love to hear those. As well as, please make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'm back all the time with new videos and vlogs and a bunch of other stuff. So please make sure you subscribe for that. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.